Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out Vital Grow XL gummies to find out if this product is legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer before we jump in, this review is based on my personal opinion and research from customer feedback. Vital Grow XL gummies claims to help with erectile issues, increase length and girth, and support prostate health. Sounds promising, but what does the reality look like? Looking at Amazon reviews where the gummies have a low rating of 2.8 stars from 139 users, the feedback is mostly negative. Many buyers report no improvement at all. One review stated the product doesn't work, calling it a total waste of money. Another user pointed out that despite following the instructions exactly for a week, they saw no changes in any of these advertised benefits. Additionally, several customers warn others that a company refuses to accept returns, which adds to this suspicion. One reviewer said there's a reason they don't take it back, not just because it's considered food, but because the product simply doesn't deliver any results. Many call it a scam and advise caution before purchasing. Overall, the pattern is clear. Vital Grow XL gummies seem ineffective, and customer service doesn't appear helpful. Based on the research and reviews, I wouldn't recommend Vital Grow XL gummies. The product does not seem to live up to its claim and could be a waste of your money. Thank you for watching, and remember, this is just based on my opinion and research.